In the last class, we studied about Coulomb's law. Today we will discuss about Coulomb's law in vector form. Let us recall what is Coulomb's law. First, consider 2 point charges Q1 and Q2 separated by distance r. In the last class, we studied Coulomb's law. According to Coulomb's law, the electrostatic force of attraction between the two charges is directly proportional to the product of the magnitude of the charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. That is the Coulomb's law. Now let us see the vector form. Consider 2 point charges Q1 and Q. Let us write an explanation. Consider 2 point charges Q1 and Q2 at rest in vacuum, separated by a distance r. Now let us write the force. Now the force is acting on the charge Q2 by the charge Q1. That is force exerted on charge Q2 by the charge Q1. So that is written as F21 vector. Here we can, there is a convention to write this. You can ask a question, where does the force is exerted? Where is the force exerted? It is exerted on the charge Q2. From where the force arises? It arises from the charge Q1. So first we will write where the force is exerted as F2, and from where the force acts, we write as F1. Similarly, we can write the force on the charge Q1. The force is exerted on charge Q1. Therefore, we will write F1. From where the force acts, it is from charge Q2. Therefore, F12 vector. This is the way you have to write the vector form of the forces. Now let us write the force exerted on charge Q2. Force on point charge Q2 exerted by another point charge Q1 is F21 vector is equal to K into Q1 Q2 by R square into R12 cap. So this is the vector equation. It is force on the point charge Q2 exerted by another point charge Q1. That is F21 vector. Here R12 cap is the unit vector acting from R12 vector is acting from Q1 to Q2. R12 cap is the unit vector. Here R12 cap is the unit vector. R12 cap is the unit vector directed from charge Q1 to charge Q2. So the R12 cap gives the direction. R12 shows the direction of the force. R12 cap shows the direction of the force. Because R12 cap acts from the charge Q1 to Q2. That's why when we write the equation F21 vector, we will put as R12 cap. I hope you will understand. R12 cap shows the direction of force.